Hi friends, today I will show you how to create sub-bullet points in Word. So, for this example, let's say we want to make an introduction. So to create the first bullet point, I'll just select one, press the dot, space, and it will automatically start creating bullet points for me. However, if I want to create sub-bullet points, that is not possible with this method. As you can see, it has only created a simple list. So first we will delete the sub bullet points that we have tried to make. Press backspace until we are at the start of the first bullet point. Click on the multi-level list option at the top. Then select the type of list that you want to make. Here you can see there are many options, and if you hover over them, it will give you a sample of what they look like. For now, we will use this option. So now again, press enter, press enter to create the next bullet point, then press Tab to create the sub-bullet point. Here, you can see it has been created. You can press Enter again to create the next sub-bullet point. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.